Hey everyone, it's me again. Please excuse the fact that I look absolutely horrible and I know I'm in a nightgown. But I've got a treat for you. I'm going to do a review on the new creamy tea latte green matcha. Now we all know that matcha's this new thing. Whole vegans love them, blah blah blah. Oh, this one's by 5 Roses. It came on the market recently and yeah, everybody's been raging about it, so let's see how great it is. I bought a pack. It's over here. So yeah, I've got my own little pack. I've given some to a friend so that she can try them to give me her opinion. So yeah, let's make it. Let's see if it's nice. I'm back. Just boiled the water. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna make the green tea latte, the green matcha tea latte by 5 Roses. And everybody in my country, I don't know how it's there, loves 5 Roses. They're the best tea brand. Like, apparently. But whatever. So, instruction number 1. Empty contents of 1 stick into a mug. Sounds easy enough. Let's see. Okay, here's my mug. Yes, I am obsessed with animals. Emptying the content into a mug. Okay. Add a cup of freshly boiled water while stirring. For a richer, creamier cup, add less water or substitute hot water with hot milk. Enjoy. I think I'm going to do that. I am not a fan of only drinking water in anything. Let's see. While stirring, they said. Just stir that, and you can see. So this is me stirring. I'll just add a bit more to it. There we go. And it looks like that. It's like sorry, it's like a creamy color, green creamy color. Sorry about that. Okay, cool. And a bit messy. So now we're gonna add milk. Pick and Pay brand milk. And yeah, it's not sponsored by the way. This is just my go-to milk for whatever reason. So I'm adding milk. And done! Let me put this back. Let's see. Let's see what this green matcha tea tastes like. Let's see if it's as great as everyone's raging about. It's all hipster thing to drink green matcha. It gives you energy, it's an antioxidant, blah blah blah. Let's see. Moment of truth. Okay, wait, let me put this there. This is what it looks like, by the way. Yo. This is what it looks like. Yeah, the box. Okay. Interesting. If you can see over there, hold on. It's like a green bubbly color. It smells and tastes very planty, and it's quite smooth and thick. Okay, personally it doesn't have that much flavor. I can see why they call it matcha. It has the characteristic matcha taste. Okay, I'm gonna deviate from the instructions and add some sugar. Okay, so I've got my little sugar pot. Gonna add 2. Let's see if it makes it taste better. Give it more flavor. So I've added 2 teaspoons. I'm not the biggest sugar drinker, so yeah. Okay, it's better. It's more sweet now. A lot better. Just adding another one to see if it increases the taste. It's a lot better with the sugar. I won't say it's my favorite latte. But it's not bad. I mean, since when does Five Roses bring out lattes? You should know if they finally decide to do something like that, it must be great, right? It's not bad, it's creamy. It doesn't have too much flavor. It's not bitter though, that's a good thing, as normal matchas usually are. I mean, it's not amazing and great, but it's not bad. I'll give it a few more shots and see how it goes and what I think about it, how nice it is and all that. But yeah, personally, it smells like plants. It doesn't have too much taste. I definitely had to add sugar to make it taste better. But yeah, it's okay. It's not the best. Whoever thinks or tries the whole matcha thing out, the whole latte thing, comment below and tell me what you think about it. To me, it's okay. It's not amazing and it's not bad. It's about in between. It's okay. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching my horrible looking matcha review. And please subscribe if you haven't yet, or if you think that maybe it'll benefit you and you'd like to see more of my videos. Please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your evening. Lots of love, me. Bye.